Hi, I'm Tommy. I live in Economy Boro, outside of Sewickley, close to Sewickley, and we had this bathroom renovated last year in 2024 by Pittsburgh's Best. A big part of finding a contractor was finding someone who could get the job done in a timely fashion. Quality work in a timely fashion was our primary concern. Again, doing my research, Pittsburgh's Best came out as one of the top contractors from a quality standpoint, a lot of good reviews, and they were able to start the process in a fairly timely manner. Well, we enjoyed working with Missy. She was very thorough, and utilizing the space that we had, came up with what we felt like was a very, very good design. So we weren't sure how it was going to turn out with what we had to work with. Crew was great. The guys were in and out of here quite a bit. They took extra care to keep things tidy, and one of the guys, Nate, became our Labrador's best friend. So that was our lab greeted Nate every morning. He was here almost every day, and they became very good friends. Well, just the people mainly, working with again, with Missy on the design side, and then Tobey and the gangs were really good to work with. They bent over backwards to try to accommodate anything that we had going on that needed to be taken in consideration. I don't think you can go wrong using them. Our experience was very good. Favorite things, probably this tub, and the shower ended up being one of our, was a good feature that we've enjoyed. That, and my wife's favorite feature is probably the heated floor. That came in handy over the winter. Also, just want to thank Pittsburgh's Best. The quality of the work and the experience of working with the crews was really great. We appreciate everything that happened.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.